Today we're dyeing Easter eggs. We bought this kit. It's a 9-in-1 kit. I think it was $9. And when we got home, our mom was like, "Why would you buy that kit? We could totally do all that stuff with things we have around the house." So then we were like, "You want to challenge us?" So we're gonna do the Easter egg challenge. The 9-in-1 kit versus mom DIY at home stuff. And we're gonna see how it works out. Maybe you don't need to spend $9 on a kit. Alright, let's do it. We made our natural dyes first. For the yellow, we mixed 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric and 1.5 cups water. We cut up some purple tomatoes, put them in boiling water. And the same thing with the beets. We cut them up, put them in about 2 cups of water. At the end, we tried out some cabbage too. Now that the vegetables have come to a boil, we remove them from the heat, put them in cups, and added a tablespoon of vinegar. And our natural dyes are ready to go. So let's dump it out. Alright, so our initial idea was that we were going to do one from the store-bought kit and then try to replicate that from things that we had around the house. But we kind of got into it and we started having fun, and yeah, we just had fun. Okay, show them what this is. We got this for like $2. Alright, so use a whisk. This one comes apart. Whatever. Alright, with the whisk. Works the same. Okay. Took a little bit of work to get it out. We're gonna stick it in the beets. Alright, so our cups up front are our mom's cups. They have our natural dyes and they have like our DIY from around the house type things in it. Like this. We're making a golden egg right here. The stuff in the bag is the solution to make the golden egg. It's good? This one's one of mom's. We used a broccoli rubber band. It turned out awesome. Oh, it's pretty pink. You want to take it out? Okay. How cool! Good job, Mom! Wait, you're just using your hands, Sophia! I know, put it in there! Oh, and this was the dye packet for the vibrant eggs. It was such a mess and it wasn't vibrant. The directions said to squeeze some of the dye onto a rag and then rub it onto the egg. It was a complete mess. I think we should take this blue and then put it in this red.
Yeah, put a rubber band on first.
Oh!
So you get like blue with purple stripes.
How about we do it to this one because this one's crippled anyway.
Oh, she's getting glued everywhere.
Now we're putting this chemical on the eggs for the gold foil and the tin foil. I'm not sure if you can eat these ones. Overall, all the eggs turned out well. It was a great experience. Alright, should we say, okay guys, thanks for watching? Okay, so that was our Easter eggs. It was really messy. This, definitely way messier than it needed to be. I think Sophia enjoyed just dyeing the stuff the most. What was your favorite? The pink one, yeah. Not the sparkly one? Not the glitter one? The pink one. What about this one? The pink one with the rubber band? Yeah, pink one with the rubber band. So get yourself some broccoli rubber bands. Some food coloring. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was our Easter egg dyeing for 2019. We did the DIY one versus the store-bought one, and I think that the DIY ones were the funnest, right? Alright, so in conclusion, the kit was a huge mess. It was fun, it was cool, but the eggs, like, they were a mess. So it was just better probably just to get some dye and dye the eggs. Mom was right. DIY is the way to go. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. The girl is back? Alright, my partner. Okay. Alright. Yes. Will you share it? Yes, thanks. Alright. We're gonna make the golden egg first.
Oh, yay!